Yes, hello students. Today we are going to start one exercise, that is 7.1, question number 1. In quadrilateral ABCD, AC is equal to BD and AB bisects angle A. Show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. This is your congruent sign. And second thing, what you have to find, what can you say about BC and BD? This is your figure, okay? This is ABC and ABD. And what you have given? You have given AC is equal to AD. This I have marked here. One more thing, it is given to you. AB bisects angle A. This AB bisects this whole angle A. So it is divided into two equal parts. So I have marked here angle 1 and angle 2. That is why angle 1 will be equal to angle 2. Okay. Now we are going to start. You have to prove triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. For that, I am taking in triangle ABC. On place of this congruent sign, I am taking AND. This is AND. Triangle ABD. Okay. Now see here. What is given to you? First thing is side is given to you. Side is what? AC is equal to AD. This is given in the question. Okay. Second thing, one angle. Which angle? This angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. What is the reason? AB bisects angle A. That is why both parts should be equal. And third thing, I am taking one side. This for triangle ABC and ABD. AB is common. So I am writing AB equal to AB. This is common side. Okay, then what you can say? Triangle ABC will be congruent to triangle ABD. What is the reason? That I have written here. SAS by SAS congruence rule. If both triangles are congruent to each other, then you can say BC will be equal to BD by CPCT. What is meaning of CPCT? Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Again I am repeating, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Yes, question number 2. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD is equal to BC and angle DAB is equal to CBA. Here is given AD equal to BC. AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC. And angle DAB, this angle is equal to angle CBA. This is your CBA. Then what you have to show? What you have to prove? Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC and BD equal to AC, and third one, angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. So what I am going to take in triangle, whatsoever triangle is this ABD and triangle BAC. ABD and triangle BAC. Okay. Now I am going to take first thing. I am taking side. This is the side I am taking. Which side? AD. AD from this side, and here is BC, because AD equal to BC and it is given to you. This is side. And angle I am taking DAB. Angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. It is also given to you in question. It is very easy to do. You have to find the third thing only. And what will be the third thing? That is side I am taking. See here, AB is here and here is BA. AB and BA both are the same. So we can say AB equal to BA. And this is called your common side. Common side. Then what you can say? Triangle ABD will be congruent to triangle BAC. What is the rule? See here, by SAS. This is by SAS congruence rule. And second thing, what? If SAS is there, then we can say BD equal to AC by CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangle, and angle ABD will be equal to angle BAC. You have to prove this because two triangles are congruent, then all parts should be, corresponding parts should be equal, again by CPCT. This is your answer number 1. This is answer number 2. And this is your answer number 3.